Buying Bitcoin with a Greendot debit card is straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the process. First, research and choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange or platform that accepts debit card payments for Bitcoin. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitstamp. Ensure that the platform supports Greendot debit card transactions. Sign up for an account on your chosen cryptocurrency exchange or platform. You'll need to provide personal information and verify your identity as per the platform's requirements. After creating an account, navigate to the Payment Methods or Settings section. Choose the option to add a payment method and select Debit Card. Enter your Greendot debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Some platforms may require verification of your debit card, which may involve a small temporary charge to your card. Once your Greendot debit card is linked and verified, proceed to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the section of the platform for buying cryptocurrencies. Choose Bitcoin BTC as the cryptocurrency to buy. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase or the amount in USD you want to spend. Select your Greendot debit card as the payment method. Review the transaction details and confirm the purchase. After the purchase is complete, the Bitcoin will be credited to your account on the cryptocurrency exchange or platform. Consider transferring the Bitcoin to a secure cryptocurrency wallet for added security. Keep track of your transactions and monitor your Greendot debit card statement and cryptocurrency exchange account for any updates or notifications related to the purchase. By following these steps, you can safely and easily buy Bitcoin with your Greendot debit card. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more informative content.